We're going to do surprise to Daddy. Surprise namin si Daddy sa office. Eh? Hi everyone. I'm Shiloh. Welcome to our channel. Okay. We are going to our daddy office. Surprise namin si Daddy. Yeah, pupunta kami dun sa office ni Sam. Surprise namin siya. Hindi niya alam na lumabas kami ngayon. Hello? Hello? Surprise Daddy? Surprise natin. Yes. Wow. We're going to... Okay. 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 Going to surprise Daddy? Huh?
Hello. Hi. You didn't tell me. Come. Don't record. Come.
Surprise! Surprise, Daddy, surprise!
Hello, baby. Come. Wait, I'll bring my boss. Hold the baby.
Yeah, I hold. You didn't know?
I didn't know.
She's crying there, so that's why I bring her
Okay,
outside.
sit down here only.
Remove the cup, sit
No,
that.
it's okay.
She don't like this one, you know?
Okay.
Go. Okay. Baby sleeping. Uwi na kami. Going home. Going home. Our daddy got surprise. Tulog yung baby Shiloh.
Can you give me glasses?
Tulog. Ang daming nagkarga. Wala lang akong video. Kasi bawal magkuha ng video sa loob ng opisina nila. Kaya walang video doon sa loob. Mayroong konti. Iwan na ang glasses. Okay, wait. Okay. Daan kami dito sa sa Big Shop. Daan. Mayroon na sila dito. Time in, time out. Dati wala yan. Hi. Ito yun na. Ito yung paninda nila. They have pandikuko. Pandikuko. Chicken empanada si Tat. You like chicken?
But so much sugar is there.
Yeah, sure.
What do you want to take?
Oh, they have one. You want to try? Cardamom tea. Oh, mayroon na sila dito sa Carrefour. Yan. City Center Seat. Meron na kayong baby, ah. Yeah. So, ano, new coconut sita to. New coconut. Okay. Ah.
How's the
Bili kami ng
Hello, uncle.
coconut juice. Ang ganda yung kangkong nila, oh. Wala nga ako kangkong. Ganda yung kangkong nila. I need kangkong. Dalawa. Oh, ganda, oh. Hi, good morning. Good morning. Hello, good morning. Andito na tayo sa shop. Bili tayo ng vegetables.
Shiloh, baby.
Coconut.
Coconut, two is enough? Mama give you boo. She already gave you.
Dito na naman kami sa ibang shop. Dito nagtitinda ng mga sweet. Sweet. Bukalay cashew nut. What is that?
जलेबी सर आप खाने में एक समोसा का हाँ एक बड़ा पाव हाँ एक भी
Yung mga sweet nila. Mayroon dito sila.
You will drink tea?
No, thank you. Yes. Kami pori.
ये मसाला चाहिए ना मेरे को
Chitat, this one you brought for me, no? Chitat, this one you brought for me.
चाय और दबेली पार्सल है चाय पार्सल नहीं होगी खाद में दे दोगे पार्सल नहीं होगी कोई और हल है नहीं है ना
Take your tea. Take your tea.
दो दबेली एक चाय सब I'm busy, mommy. I'm busy, mommy. I'm busy. Don't do it. मैं साइड पर बैठा हूँ उधर हूँ
Yeah, mango pickle.
Daddy's baby. Daddy's baby. Shiloh, daddy's baby. Oh yeah, Bookie. You're feeling hungry or what? You're feeling hungry? Really hungry, baby. Shiloh, daddy's baby.